Hi John, hi Helen. So here is a very quick basic storage assembly to establish a good low-end basic price. 50 centimetre deep shelves. We've got 1.2, 2.4, 3.6 meters nominal total span. That's probably going to fill 3.7 quite nicely. I've put some hanging in just to sort of add a little bit of variety and show a slightly higher cost. I've shown these basket shelves. They have a 100mm upstand and transparent end caps which can be used as subdividers. It's a nice product, good for organising cleaning materials, and in a wardrobe I would use that for sort of sportswear and underwear, things that can be divided up. It's also good for woolens and things that sort of fold and stack a bit higher. It's worth considering looking at this project with what Elfa call traditional shelves, so basically brackets with our own white faced and edged shelves on, not an Elfa product, a bespoke one, so that gives you a lot more flexibility over what you're doing. But these 50 centimetre deep wire shelves are a good starting point. Let's have a quick look at the price. I will send you some notes on how I charge for design and installation. Anything I've designed in one or two iterations on the Elfa software, I probably won't charge anything for design. As a rule, I use my own design software for more complicated projects and spaces. So we're getting 1,321 as the retail price for that equipment list. And I will explain and figure out what the install cost would be. I hope that's of interest. Do bear in mind that the product is designed for DIY install, particularly something like this. Most people could manage it, and any decent handyman could manage it. That said, I do earn some money through install, and I'm always keen to get involved in people's projects. Right, speak soon. Thanks for your time.